it's Eugenia. So it's February now and it's almost Valentine's Day. I thought today I would do kind of like a Valentine's Day makeup video, like a makeup tutorial video. So for this makeup video, it's kind of gonna mostly focus on my eyes and stuff because I guess that's kind of like what most of like the Valentine's Day-ish stuff is gonna be focused on. So I already kind of did like the base of my makeup like before I started filming this. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna start off by doing is just kind of priming my eyes. So I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay primer potion. This is pretty much what I always use, so you guys may have like seen that I use this in a lot of videos. I feel like my bangs are being so weird today, so like I'm sorry guys. I feel like the other day they were really cooperative, but sometimes they just like don't like to cooperate as well. And now for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using a lot of colors from this ColourPop Main Squeeze palette. I thought that this would be a really good palette for Valentine's Day, where a lot of the colors are kind of like pinks and reds and things like that. So I think just kind of to start off, I'm going to be using this shade right here called Froze, which looks like kind of like a light pinkish shade. And I'm just going to begin kind of putting like that all over my crease area. And oh wow, okay, so yeah, this is like I think only my second time using this palette. The first time that I wore it, I really liked it. I used it like a combination of some other of the really pretty colorful ColourPop palettes. I really like ColourPop's palettes. I think they're always super good and the colors are always so pretty in them. So wow, okay, so this is actually a little bit more pigmented than I remembered and was like expecting. So it's kind of more, I guess, of like a peachy orange pink shade. It's really pretty. So okay, it's a little darker than I thought I was going, but like I was gonna build it to be darker anyway. So this is a really good start, I think. So anyways, I'm just gonna kind of continue just kind of like blending that a bit like outward. So then I'm gonna take another brush that is kind of more of like a small, kind of like detailing brush, I guess. I'm gonna take a little bit of Like It's Hot, which is the shade right here, which looks like it's a bit of kind of like a darker pink. And I'm just gonna kind of put that like also in my crease area. Oh wow, yeah, that's really pretty. So this, it's kind of like, I don't know if there's orange in it. I don't want to like describe the colors wrong and like just like, I don't know, make this palette like something that it's not. But it's super pretty and it's kind of like, I think kind of like a darker, it may have some orange in it, but it's a really nice pink. I'm just trying to say it's a really pretty shade of pink, guys. Like I'm not a professional, as you can tell, but yeah, so I'm just kind of putting that more kind of like towards the inner part of my crease and just kind of like blending that out. And then also I'm going to be using this that looks like kind of more of an even more bright shade. It's called Home Slice. And that looks really pretty. It looks like kind of like a red or like a super dark pink kind of, well, bright pink. So I'm just going to kind of blend that also into my crease area, kind of like going outward. Yeah, and that shade is super pretty and it seems to be blending really nicely with everything else too. So I'm going to continue bringing that out a bit. But anyways, so I'm really liking how these colors are applying. And I feel like these are super perfect for Valentine's Day with like how bright these are. So I'm just gonna take one more brush now to just kind of blend out like where the edges are. And for that, I'm going back into the shade Froze again. And I'm just kind of gonna go right above where I applied these colors and kind of just bring this brush back and forth and just kind of like make that a little softer. Next thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna cut my crease really quick. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take a bit of concealer. I'm using like a pure white concealer, but I think you could use whatever you wanted. Okay, so my cut crease got a little bit more extreme than I was kind of expecting to go. So it probably looks kind of messy now, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna try to like clean that up kind of as I go along. I think when I'm done, it should look better. I feel like this shade Juicy Fruit right there, it's kind of this gold, could look really pretty on the lid. But I also really want to use this shade Maraschino. I don't know if I'm saying that right either, so I'm sorry. But I used them in a shade last time. And I definitely think that is like one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna use both of those, but I'm gonna start with Juicy Fruit and I'm just kind of gonna put that like on my lid. Another thing I have to say with these colors is that like they all seem to blend really well and easily together. So I'm just gonna kind of put that like on the inner corner of my lid here. Not all the way because I also want to use that other pink. I'm gonna go maybe about like a little less than halfway maybe. So then I'm taking a different flat brush and I'm going to use the shade Maraschino, which is the shade right in the middle there. I'm just gonna put that, oops, I put so much on by accident, but I'm just gonna put that like right on the other half of my lid. So I'm just kind of gonna like blend it in just by patting it on with that gold shade. I love this shade so much. I think this is such a pretty color. Pretty, it's like kind of like a shiny pink, kind of like a pinkish red. I guess you guys can see what it looks like, but yeah, it's kind of like metallic-y and kind of just like shiny, and it's really, really pretty. It's definitely one of my favorite shades in the palette, like for sure. I'm just kind of blending it in with everything else. I'm just gonna go back in with the shade Home Slice for now, like the red-ish shade. And I'm just kind of gonna like blend within like the outer corner, outer V, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of like blend these colors together. Guys, I really love highlighter, and this is actually the first time that I'm gonna try this shade like on my eye, but I'm really excited to do this. I'm actually gonna be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics like Extreme Frost, which I love using these on my face. I think this would also look really pretty like kind of on top of my eyeshadow. So I'm using the Lick My Glit, which is the pink, you know, like glitter, so cool. I'm just gonna like kind of put this over my lid a bit. Oh wow, yeah, okay, so that looks so good with eyeshadow. So I'm just kind of putting that on like the outer kind of like half of my lid there. And wow, I feel like that looks so pretty. It's definitely making it like a lot more shiny, and I just kind of wanted to make it a little more shiny there. So there we go. Next thing I'm gonna do like below my eye. And to do that, I don't know for sure if this is gonna work because it definitely is kind of like darker than the rest of the look. I was thinking maybe this kind of like really deep like red brown shade called Red Bottoms. It might not work, and if it doesn't, like I'm gonna start really light. If it doesn't work, I'll probably just like try a different color. And it looks really pretty. It's just that like with all like the bright shades I use, I feel like it either could look good or it might not work, but like it might just not go together. But I'm gonna try it and just like see if it does work, so. Oh wow, and I actually do kind of feel like that's working. As long as I'm being gentle, it isn't applying like that heavy, and it's really pretty. I almost feel like it has like a bit of purple in it. I guess I will just continue putting that on. I'm just kind of like blending that. Then just a little bit below that. So I'm gonna go back into the shade Froze, and I'm just gonna kind of like apply that like a little bit below where I put, what was it? Red Bottoms. And I'm just gonna kind of like blend that a little bit underneath. I might go back into Red Bottoms a little bit too, just to like ensure that that is still like visible, like clearly visible. So I'm gonna just kind of like mix these two together. I think actually in my inner corner, I'm gonna use a little bit more of Lick My Glit. And I'm just gonna like put that right also in the inner corner just a little bit. Yeah, I don't know, I feel like that looks really, really pretty there. Hopefully on camera you can see that too, because I feel like it just makes your eye makeup look really pretty. And then I'm also just gonna put a little bit of that like above my brow bone, just a little bit like right on top of where I put the other shadows. And wow, I feel like that's working really, really well. So now I'm gonna be taking one of my ColourPop pencil liners. I love the ColourPop pencil liners so much. They are definitely some of my favorite pencil liners ever. I love that they come in so many colors, and I thought a white could look really good with this look and just kind of like, you know, open your eyes more and just make them look like bigger and stuff. So now for like my regular kind of like winged liner, I feel like I could just go with regular black and that could look really good. Like I always like doing like black liner, but I also thought maybe it would be cool to do kind of something different for Valentine's Day. So I thought today I would maybe actually try using a liquid lip that I just kind of feel like could go good with these colors and stuff. I'll probably just try to like take this slow, and then if it doesn't work, I'll probably just like end up going with a black one instead. Okay, so what I'm gonna be trying is I got this shade like forever ago in one of the Jeffree Star summer collections. It's a really pretty lip shade. It's called You Better Work, and it's kind of this really pretty like darker, really bright purple. I don't know, I feel like as a liner, this might look really cool. Wow, okay, well so far this definitely seems to be working. So far this is applying super nice and super pigmented. So I don't know, I actually feel like this might work, yay! I like to make my eyeliner pretty dramatic, so that's what I'm still gonna do today, is be pretty crazy with that. I also always like to go a bit in my inner corner. Right, then I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of foundation, and I'm just gonna really carefully just kind of like clean up a little bit where I messed up. So I'm just kind of really carefully doing that. Okay, so that's done, and that's basically the shadow that and like eye look that I think I'm gonna be doing today. Oh, and oh sorry, I'm also doing mascara. Wow. And before I put mascara on, I always like to curl my lashes to just make them not as straight and more curled, because I just feel like they usually look better that way. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Shui More eyelash curler. I feel like also, I wanna say, that this liquid lip works so good as an eyeliner. I think it looks so cool with the purple, and it actually was so easy to apply. Every time before I like try doing like an eyeliner liquid lipstick, I'm always like, oh my gosh, I hope that I'm gonna do okay, and like I hope it's gonna work okay. But a lot of time I feel like it looks really good and like it really works. So yeah, I feel like this color looks so cool. All right, lashes are curled. And now I'm just gonna take some mascara. I'm using the Armani Eyes to Kill. This is like the waterproof version of it. For me, it just tends to keep my lashes more curled. That is basically the finished eye look. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off of camera real quick, because I wouldn't want to make you guys super bored by doing the exact same thing all over again. And then I'll come back and just kind of finish the rest of my face makeup. All right, so I'm back. I tried to make my eyes as even as I could. I already did put like a little bit of blush on, but not that much. This super, super cute blush. It's like ColourPop, and it has Rapunzel on it. I think the package is so cute, and I love Rapunzel. I think she's such a great Disney princess. Yeah, where it's Valentine's Day, I figured I would just use a little bit extra of that. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this, but just like a little bit more than I have on right now. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my nose. I don't know, I just feel like it looks cute doing that sometimes. And like I said, it's Valentine's Day, it's the perfect time to do that. So I'm just gonna put that a little bit right on there. Move my spiky bang out of the way. Okay. I'm gonna kind of really concentrate it, like, kind of like underneath. And now I'm gonna do one of my favorite parts of makeup, which is highlighter. I'm gonna be using today the Jeffree Star Skin Frost Pro palette, the Brain Freeze palette, which I love this palette. I think all the highlighters, whoops, sorry about that. But I think all of the highlight colors in here are so pretty. So I'm gonna be using the shade Frozen Fruit right there. It's kind of like a really pretty pink shade. And I just feel like for Valentine's Day, I feel like this is like a super perfect color. So I'm gonna just highlight my cheek area, like right above where I put the blush. Kind of just like also blend that together, sort of. I'm also just gonna highlight my forehead with the shade Cold Shoulder right there. And then I'm just gonna highlight my chin like a tiny little bit with also Cold Shoulder. And then for my nose, I'm also gonna be using Frozen Fruit, which is the more pink shade. I always like to put the most highlighter kind of like on the tip, and then also like kind of like at the beginning of the bridge of my nose, like right there. I'm also just gonna use a tiny bit of Cold Shoulder, a little bit more on the tip, just to kind of like make those sections of my nose like stand out more and just be more highlighted. And then also that same section right on top, like basically the beginning of the bridge of my nose, I think is what you call that, hopefully. I'm also gonna take a little bit of Frozen Fruit and just kind of highlight like my Cupid's bow right above my lip right there. I like highlighter this much, like I'm not done yet. So next, I'm gonna be taking again the shade Lick My Glit. I'm going to just also put a little bit of that on, like right here, just kind of like one swipe of it. I feel like pink and Valentine's Day just obviously go really good together, and I feel like that shade for like this time of year is perfect. So, and I just love these Extreme Frost highlighters because they're so shiny. Guys, I like this too much, so I'm just gonna also do the tip of my nose, right there in my nose, a little bit here. I know I said I was gonna use a little, just a little bit, but it's hard to stop when you just really like a product, you know? And now I'm gonna be using another one of my favorite products, which this was from the ColourPop Frozen collection. It's the Elsa part of the collection, and I love this glitter gel so much. I just think it's so, so pretty. So this is in the shade The Dark Sea. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that, like, kind of like where I was highlighting my face, just a little bit. Just kind of gently to not mess up the rest of my makeup, hopefully, and just kind of like pat that on. Now, I also thought this would look really cute to like do something with hearts. I have some of my Milk makeup stamps. I wear these like all the time basically. So I have these in a couple of different shapes. I thought the heart one would be really perfect for this look and for Valentine's Day. So I'm just gonna kind of just hold this down for a couple seconds and stamp my face with this heart. I'm just gonna put that kind of like below my eye. So now for lip makeup, I think I'm gonna kind of combine a couple of lipsticks. I'm gonna start with this Gucci lipstick called Patricia Pink. This has been one of my favorite lip colors ever. I think it's such a pretty shade of pink. Even just this like by itself, I feel like really works and is super nice and looks great all on its own. And I feel like it's a really nice color for Valentine's Day where like it's pink, and again, I just think it's so pretty. So yeah, but I'm gonna do something a little bit like extra than just one lipstick today, I guess. So I'm also gonna use in the Shane and Jeffree collection, which I love so much. I think on top of this, kind of in like more of the center, I'm gonna use the shade Ryland, which I love this shade. I think this shade is so pretty, very shiny. I feel like whether you wear it by itself or you wear it over something else, it just is a super pretty color. So I'm gonna just kind of like lighten this a bit with that. Then lastly in my lips, I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of, this is like a white liquid lip. I think this is actually my first time using this. It is Drug Lord. It's the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick. And yeah, it's in white. So I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit of that kind of like right on the center of my lip and just like blend that a bit. Sorry guys, I lied, I forgot. And also I've heard that you can actually use these extreme frosts on your lip. So I'm also just gonna use Lick My Glit. I'm gonna use that, I think, a little bit on my lip also. It's gonna be my first time trying this. Oh wow, and you really can use that. That looks really pretty. And it's just like, wow, it makes your lips so shiny like that. I think that looks so cool. So yeah, that's my first time trying that. I just kind of wanted to try that out. Okay guys, and for the final part of this video, I thought I would also, this is so random and like not even really makeup related, but I thought that I would also put my hair in a ponytail, which hopefully you guys can even see. But yeah, so basically to kind of like, I guess, complete the Valentine's Day look, when I bought this dress, I bought it at Kiki Riki a while ago. I made like a video, and there's this really nice guy that works there, Nick. He's so sweet and he's always so helpful at picking out clothes, and he's so talented at it. So he kind of like showed me this dress, and he thought that it would look best with a ponytail, just kind of because of like how the dress is cut and all of that. I kind of agree that I think it does kind of work like that because of like your hair is kind of all in the front. It's definitely very like frilly, and just for kind of like the way that it's cut. I can totally see what he was saying. So I thought I would do that. I thought I kind of would just do that to my hair to end this video. That is, I guess, the completed look, like with this Valentine's Day makeup, like with my eye makeup and face makeup and lip makeup and all of that. So I hope that you guys liked watching this video. I hope that you guys liked how this Valentine's Day makeup look turned out. Let me know if you did. If you didn't though, that's totally fine, of course. You can tell me the truth. But anyways, I hope that you guys all have a really good Valentine's Day. Whether you're spending it with somebody or if you're just spending it by yourself, there's really nothing wrong with that, and I still think you could have a great day. Like for me, I'll probably just be hanging out with like all my good friends here, you know? Like, Pooh will be my Valentine. He's a great Valentine. If you want to see more videos from me, if you haven't yet, you can subscribe, and then you should know when I post new videos. If you click the bell icon, you should definitely know. But yeah, just if you want to. And also my social media links will all be down there in the description, like my Twitter, Instagram, my Twitch link if you want to see my live streams. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. All right, bye!